Today we are going to create a quote design in Pixellab. Alright, so we just set our workspace to default. Alright, then we change our background color to black. Alright, now next thing to do is to insert a shape, and then let me say I'll give it a width small, just increasing the size small, and then give it a radius of 24%. Alright, then I'll scale it a little bit. Then here I'll turn off opacity to 0, and then stroke width to 4. Then we change our stroke color to yellow. Alright, so the stroke width to 4 and then down. So everything is okay, so you just click on the OK button, then you position it very well. Now next thing to do is to bring in another shape, and then change our color to black, and then we move it closer, then I'll rotate it a little, right? So and then we move it here. So yeah, I think this is okay. Now my next thing to do is to move it a little. Alright, move it a little. So our next thing we'll be doing is to merge them together. So you merge them together, then you go to your erase color, then you enable it, then you pick the color dropper to, and then you select color black, the black color, and then you click on OK. Now black color has been erased. Alright, so you just import in another shape, then you change our color to yellow, then I will zoom it to get it, scale it to get a tiny shape. Alright, then move it a little on top of the shape layer we created. Then we merge these two together. Okay, now next thing to do is go to crop, then the vertical, reflect it vertically. Alright, then we make a duplicate of this shape. Okay, then I'll rotate it to an angle of 180. Alright, then I'll bring it down small, then bring it in a way that it will be in aligned. I'll position it to that side. Alright, okay, now this is okay. Then I'll lock my layers for it not to move. Now my next thing to do is to bring in our quotes, and then the quote was taken from Pixellab itself, right? So there are some already made quotes in there, alright, in Pixellab. So when you just go there, you can select any of your choice. Alright, so let me just choose any of this. Alright, so I think this quote is okay, so just do it, then I'll scale it. Alright, so after scaling is my next thing to do is change our fonts. So after alignment we change our fonts. So and the fonts I'll be using is Bebas Noe regular. Alright, got you. Then I'll increase it, then I'll position it. Alright, so that everything will be in place. as you want it to be. Everything should be in place. Alright, then I'll just move it, push it into, and then move it a little to the right hand side. Now this is okay. Now next test. So we are going to write in motivation with an exclamation mark at the end. Motivation with the exclamation mark at the end. Alright, let me bring the space between it. Okay, then I'll capitalize it and click OK. Then I'll put it here. Then you change font. So the font will be using is Bebas in a way. Bebas regular, sorry. So Bebas regular. Okay, then I'll space it to 15. So I'll give it a spacing of 15. Okay, then I'll position it, bring it down, and then move to the left side. Now so you should go to the right side a little. Okay, alright. Now next thing to do is to bring in the author name or the one or where the source was from. Whilst here we're going to use unknown because we don't know the person whose this code was from. Alright, then the fonts I'll be using is Bebas. Yeah, so that's Monstrat board. Alright, Monstrat board. Okay, now position it very well. And if you are new here, kindly like and subscribe to my videos. Alright, and then click on the subscription button so that you'll be notified anytime a new video drops up and you can't be the first person to watch. Alright, thank you. Now you just copy it and then you put our name by NK Design, then reduce the size small. That's it. Alright, now we are done. If you are new here, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube videos. Thank you. Bye.